community is like a garden. Nurture it and it will grow. This is exactly what's happening in Chicago's North Lawndale neighborhood today. In 2019, a group of community leaders joined together to form Friends of Sears Sunken Garden, which hopes to restore an iconic and historic garden in Chicago. Completed in 1907 as a respite for the employees of the original Sears Roebuck & Company headquarters, Sears Sunken Garden is now a Chicago historic landmark. Once a source of community pride, the garden fell into disrepair when Sears moved out of the area in the 1970s. Our restoration efforts are off to a strong start with the hiring of renowned public landscape architect Pete Udolph to head up design and a $1 million grant from the Richard H. Driehaus Foundation. To help us to continue to transform the historic Sears Sunken Garden, we need your help. There are many ways to support the effort, from making a charitable donation online, giving a gift in honor of a loved one, or making a corporate pledge. Every gift makes a difference. To learn more or make a donation, head over to our website at searssunkengarden.org. Thank you for giving, and thank you for listening. Happy holidays.
All the possibilities of a beautiful garden that Pete Udolph can design for a community. Not for a city, not for a big park that's going to attract million-dollar buildings and rail systems, but to have a park for a community, and every plant that goes in that garden is going to feel the love, nurture, and caring from people that can't wait to do it.
I think it is really rare that a garden like we normally make in cities, in centers of cities, that where millions of people come, suddenly can arise in a neighborhood. And a neighborhood that probably deserves it. I think because they really fight to get something done and to get the quality of that neighborhood on a level that brings people in, I think. And that's what we try to do, and that's why I'm really fully, sort of energized to make this happen.
My name is Roshona Fitzpatrick, and I was actually born in the North Lawndale community where the Sears Sunken Garden is now located. It's beautiful now, but it's even going to be beautiful, as Yvonne says, as we reclaim this beautiful space. Pete said it's a community garden, and that's exactly what it's going to be. That's who's going to come and spend time, as well as our visitors who will come. We need to feel peaceful in our community. We need to feel love. We need to feel joy. We need to experience that, and this garden is going to bring that to our community. Let's talk a little bit about dollars and cents, right? That's interesting, right? So we've already raised $1.5 million. Can I get some celebration for that? But we still need some more. Some say we're going to try to do it, but I say we're going to do it because I believe in miracles. I believe that we are going to raise $2.5 million by February 2025, so that we'll be able to reach our goal, because we're going to break ground. I didn't say we're thinking about it. I said we're going to break ground in February of the spring of 2025. So that's going to happen, right? Yeah. So we got to raise this money, and we need you to help us.